how to use precision gear in Lands of Jail. So we're just gonna go ahead and explain to you where you can use this and how, since we don't really have legendary equipment for this account, but of course we could still explain as we just said. Now this is for your equipment reformation. Now equipment reformation is a special upgrade system for legendary equipment that unlocks once the equipment reaches plus 40 level. So 40 plus of that specific equipment, make sure it's on that level, and then you'll be able to do the equipment reformation, and these upgrades can of course give the equipment a big boost. So there are 20 reformation levels, and whichever level you're in is gonna need precision gears. Level 1 to 10 will only require precision gears, but level 11 and above will require both precision gears and magnets to upgrade further. So of course, to be able to use them, just go ahead to your equipment section to whichever character you have and make sure it's a legendary equipment, and the legendary equipment is on level 40. And you'll be able to see that you can use precision gear. There's going to be a few more prerequisites you're going to need to finish or to do, like unlocking your warden to level 15, but other than that, that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.